Here we've got our own 7.2 ton Iveco Daily truck. This one has a payload of 4.1 ton. As you can see, nice clean truck. Comes with all the side markers. Also comes with extension ramps for the trailer. We have the ramps. Just had a tow truss tow bar fitted professionally. This truck is solid with a steel bed, so it's nice and solid, not cheap. Got the light beacon on the top. We've got the rear work lights on the back. We've also got a £13,500 winch with controls. As you can see, this truck is ready for work. It's got 139,000 miles on. Less than 1,000 miles ago, because it's 12 months MOT, so it's good to go, ready for work. Will come with a major service upon sale, so it's ready to go. You can see by the bodywork, nice and clean throughout. This is the 3 litre automatic version, much more reliable and solid than the 3.5 ton 2.3s. No rips, no tears in the seats. Got the built-in TomTom nav, factory. Got a tacho card, lane assist. Got plenty of extras, voice control, cruise control. We've got a factory air suspension. To say, this truck is good, is ready to go. Drop us a message or give us a call if you're interested in this truck.